Do you freeze when you're trying to speak English? You're not alone, a lot of people do. But you know what? AI might have the answer for you. Many English learners don't have a grammar problem. They just have a confidence problem. Now, we learn the words, we learn sentence structure, we know the grammar rules, but then all of a sudden, when you come to speak, it all just disappears. Your mind goes blank, you can't remember the words, your sentences fall apart. Does that sound familiar? Well, it happens a lot and it's perfectly natural. And that's where AI can be surprisingly useful. Now, AI gives you something that many learners need. It doesn't matter where you are on the learning curve. AI gives you a safe place to practice. There's absolutely no judgment, there's no embarrassment, there's nobody pulling funny faces at you and getting impatient because you can't get the words out quick enough. And so there's no fear of feeling silly or looking stupid in front of other people. And that matters a lot when you're learning a second language. It's really, really important. And confidence grows through repeating in a safe environment, which is why school works a little bit, but not totally. Now you can ask AI for beginner questions, or you can ask it for interview questions, or maybe you're going traveling and you want some vocabulary and you can ask it, very specifically what you need to know. It can correct your mistakes kindly. It can speak slower for you. It's very flexible in what it can do. And the more you gain confidence, the more you'll be able to speak. But the problem is AI can't give you total confidence. Only real life can do that. And why? Because a lot of people might say, well, I'm perfect, on my app, I speak very well, I know what they're saying, I understand. But it's because real conversation actually contains interruptions and accents, noise, surprises, emotion, which all changes how people speak. And that's real communication. So you can use AI as training and then step into real situations to become stronger. Think of it like swimming. If you were learning to swim, you could learn on land with a book. You don't need to get in the water. But eventually you're going to have to get into that water to swim. Well, AI is the same. Use it to prepare, use it to grow, use it to understand. And if you feel nervous speaking English, well, that's perfectly normal. Everybody feels nervous. Confidence is not something that naturally people have. It's something we build one conversation at a time. Now, I hope this helps. If you have any questions, do put them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can with the answers. I hope to see you next week in the next episode. See you then.